Hi, what we're going to show you today is how to post in the BARA Buzz, which is an excellent way to get information out to your fellow realtors, affiliates, about information that you deem necessary to share. Open houses, specials on homes, deals, and this is how you do it. First you come to the homepage, which is mybaraonline.com. Then you come all the way over here to the right where it says My BARA. Click on that. Has my information saved, so I'll click I'm not a robot and click on all of the crosswalks here and then traffic lights here. It verifies I'm not a robot so I can sign in. This will take me to my home page. I know it is my home page because I can see it says Hello Deborah here. Best way to post in the BARA Buzz is come down here to My Groups, click on My Groups, and then here's the BARA Buzz. I'll click on the BARA Buzz. And a nice note to make here is there are 1,276 members to the BARA Buzz. So 1,276 people will see this as soon as you post this. As you can see right down here, someone posted an announcement, and then you can see the recent activity that has gone on. So if there are things here that you would like to go back and read about, you can do that as well. Over here is the group recent resources, the legislative update, statistics show up here. So back to posting your BARA Buzz. Right here, this add a discussion is an ideal way for you to post, because you get this title section right here and you can type in whatever you want to be your headline. And this is what people will see as soon as they open this. So you'll come in here and you'll type in hello everyone, better typing than I. And then open house today, 123 Main Street. And then you can add a photo of 123 Main Street. What we'll do here is we'll just click right on through the Rio rooftop, which is where we just had our YPN happy hour, which was a huge success. Please come and join us next time. So unfortunately these sizes are not locked, but we will take about a third of these off. So we'll go, let's see, 320 to 210, and then we're going to set this toward the bottom. And we can see that you have your information typed up here, the photo of your home. You're done, you're happy with this, this looks wonderful. Come down here and you hit submit. There, voila, you are done. I will not hit submit because this will go live as soon as you post it and everyone will be able to read it. Again, pay attention to this headline because this is one of the nicest things about the discussion, because people will see that first. So there you go. And please don't hesitate to call us at the office. We're happy to walk you through this. We'll also be posting this video so that it'll be a resource for you to go back and look at. Okay, so hit submit and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.